Hi there. I wanted to talk with you about AppScan, and most specifically about our latest major release, AppScan version 10, and the cool capabilities that we've introduced in that in following releases. So let's just jump to it. In the very early stages, before starting to work on designing this new release, we spent some time as a team trying to envision what will this release be about. AppScan was already a well-known and respected tool with the application security practitioners, but the DevOps transformation that rocked the development world in recent years taught us that being the most in-depth and accurate tool simply isn't enough. We knew that we needed to evolve if we want to maintain our leadership positioning. Aiming to cater to DevOps needs without compromising our security DNA is the cornerstone of the new AppScan with its fast, accurate, agile security testing. With that in mind, we identified the three major themes we wanted to focus on. We call them the three WOWs: fast, accurate scans, secure DevOps, and enterprise management. Getting scans to complete faster can be easily achieved by simply testing less. However, choosing to take that path would have placed you, our customer, at risk. We weren't willing to do that. We challenged ourselves to find ways to not compromise on accuracy while still doing it faster. In order to get AppScan into your DevOps practice, we needed to earn our place in your DevOps toolchain. Doing it the right manner means more than just providing out-of-the-box plugins to leading tools. It means providing the integration with AppScan as part of the core experience the DevOps tools offer. And our focus is on enterprise companies seeking to run large-scale mature application security program. Doing so requires a tool that can provide you the level of governance and control you need, and being able to scale to cater all your needs without needing to suffer from performance implications. Over the years, we've accumulated more than tens of thousands of payloads to test your web applications. In the past 2 years, we have been evaluating the probability of those to find vulnerabilities in real-life applications that are scanned in our cloud offering. We are, of course, doing that in a very considerate and respectful way, automatic and properly anonymized. We have applied the results into an algorithm we've implemented that takes also into account other factors, such as the severity of the detected vulnerability. We came up with a test optimization slider. This is an easy and fast way for our users to tune the depth versus speed of their scans in different stages of their SDLC, allowing them to complete the test stage up to 10 times faster, while still detecting the great majority of the vulnerabilities. This way they can maximize their scanning ROI. In AppScan version 10, we've brought the great machine learning capabilities we have perfected in our cloud static analysis engine to the on-prem AppScan source, having both offering using the same 64-bit scanning engine now. IFA automatically triage findings to focus developers on the most critical and exploitable findings, while ICA increases the scan coverage by automatically identifying API calls for methods outside of the scanned code, and properly classify those to eliminate blind spots. In AppScan version 10, we've dramatically increased our language coverage, an effort that continued into version 10.01 and the upcoming 10.02, as you can see in this slide. We are not stopping here and are aiming to add 5 more new languages in the coming month, both to the cloud and to the on-prem solution. DAS scans tend to take significant amount of time, which deem the technology unfit for the short DevOps build cycle. But actually very little changes in web application from one day to the next. So what if, like in static analysis, we could use Dust and only test the small changes? In AppScan V10, we have introduced the first version ever of incremental dust scanning. That indeed allows you to test only the changes detected in your current scan. And when combining it with the test optimization that I showed just earlier, tests can complete really fast. And the latest addition that we've added, interactive application security testing, also known as IAST. This was introduced in our cloud solution earlier this year, and it's now coming to the on-prem. Unlike other vendors, AppScan IAST Plus offers zero-click deploy experience of our agents and with minimal to no impact to your application performance. Add to that the fact that the agents were built based on years of knowledge we have in static analysis and dynamic analysis gets you extremely accurate zero-time passive biased analysis to best fit your short DevOps build cycle. And when needed, you can complement your in-depth DAST scans with it. For those who use our complete testing suite, the IS results are shown side by side with our DAST, SAST, and software composition analysis under single pane of glass. Of course, those were just the highlight, and there is a lot more that went into the AppScan version 10 release. Just a few other items that I want to call out. We invested a lot in security, introduced the AppScan DNS that allows us to better detect out-of-bound vulnerabilities, improved the error page detections, and added many more tests. We've introduced AppScan Connect to allow your application security team better collaborate with the development team in the organizations. Improved our DAST crawling with machine learning optimization. Introduced a new command line delta tool for AppScan source to compare between two static analysis scans that were completed. Offering AppScan source for analysis in a disconnected mode. Introduced a new community edition tool we called AppScan Code Sweep in the VS Code Marketplace, and done many more. With AppScan version 10, we were able to build the best application security testing solution that fits developers that actually care about security, and security teams that care about DevOps. If you want to learn more about AppScan version 10 or upgrade to this version, you can find more details below this video. Goodbye and thank you for watching.